Where are you going, Halle? You got your backpack?
Bye-bye.
Where's bye-bye?
Bye-bye airplane.
We're going to California on a special trip. You and Olivia are both coming.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Love you. Bye. I love you. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Oh, they're just waking up. It's early in the morning. I love you, Karis. Bye, Hannah. Love you. Lydia's ready to go. Oh, bye, Toby. You gotta have fun with Grandma and Grandpa, okay? Whenever I leave and go on business-related trips, I do my best to try to take one of the kids with me. One, because it makes it easier for whoever's at home, but two, it's a great way to integrate time that we have to spend away with our family, spend it with parts of the family instead, and build memories and build relationships with a special time with that child. Hallie's been wanting to do a moving sidewalk since coming here. Look, there's one right here in front of us. Just don't stop walking. Good, keep going, keep go, 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 go. Good job. Woo! Look how fast we're going.
Halle is always so much fun to be around whenever she's experiencing things, especially for the first time. And I've been looking forward just to seeing this trip through her eyes for a while now, and it's everything that I expected.
Panel located in the lavatory.
Are you excited, Halle?
Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen.
Your headphones aren't even plugged into anything.
And place the mask over your nose and mouth.
We're moving.
Which is located in
Here we
your
go.
back pocket. Vaping and smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft.
She's been so much fun. She made people laugh on the airplane with all her questions, and it's just cool to like get to experience life through somebody's first experience. Well, what was that, or what is this? And it's just really fun to hear that thought process. Olivia did a great job traveling today as well. You never know how a baby's gonna do on an airplane. She did good. There's times where she cries, but I try to get her quiet as soon as possible, and then whatever works to keep her quiet, that's what we do for the whole entire flight. And I actually got to sleep a little bit on the plane too, so I don't think I really had a choice. I think I was so tired that it was gonna happen regardless if I wanted to or not. Hannah and Zeke have both been able to take fun business trips with Tim and gotten to fly, and I don't think Halle has ever flown, even as a baby before. With Hannah and Zeke flying and Halle wanting to, we were telling the kids, all right, Halle gets to do the next trip, and this happened to be the next trip, and I think she got a great trip, especially with Mom and Dad both being able to go, and Olivia. This is a pretty extra special trip.
We made it to Palm Springs. Look, this is how I know. We didn't plan for it to be an extra special trip for Halle. It just happened to land that way. And of all the things that she would want to see, they are here at this YouTube event for creators. We got here at registration and we are just diving right in with Halle with all the toys they have out here. Halle, you get to pick one. You want the unicorn?
Angel Unicorn is her name.
This is gonna be like
so fun.
our most ideal event. You are gonna have a blast this week. Look at this stuff, Halle.
The family game of Wacky Visions. That's pretty fitting for our family.
Man. Are you a unicorn girl?
Toys would like to give her a unicorn.
Oh, right.
I will get her her own personal unicorn to keep forever and ever.
Do you want a unicorn?
I'm gonna get you one.
Is this the best day ever? She is just eyes wide open to the point where this doesn't happen for Halle very often. She stands there speechless and doesn't even know what to do or say. What do you think, Halle? Do you want that? What do you say?
And it has a handle. And you're gonna have to name it though. Will you do me that favor and name the unicorn? We'll give it a name and a good home. DGL Toys are so happy to give this to you. It's a present for you, sweetheart.
What do you say, Halle?
Thank you.
We're really happy to give that to you, sweetheart. Enjoy it.
I think that's a winner right there. Thank you so much. This event that we're at is for YouTube creators who have like family, mostly family channels. Not all of these are, but there's a lot of family channels here. And so they have all these toys sitting out for families to just take and integrate into their content, kind of like we're doing here. Halle, we're gonna not just pick up stuff out for ourselves though, but maybe we can pick out some stuff for your brothers and sisters. I think a car like this would be something Zeke and Toby would love. So we're gonna see if we can find a team on here that Zeke would like.
I'm gonna give this to Zeke.
To Zeke? You think you want the Green Bay one? Zeke's favorite team is the Philadelphia Eagles, but there's no Eagles ones here. So we'll go with that one. You want that one for Toby? Oh, a flying helmet? Oh, that's cool because Zeke's helicopter just broke. Let's get him this one. This Pittsburgh Steelers, they don't have Eagles, but he'll like that one. Maybe you should pick one for Toby. I bet Toby would love one of these.
Toby loves Saints.
Which one does Toby love? That one? You get it?
Saints.
Alright. This looks like a good game. Kids know best. The kids versus grown-ups trivia game. So this would be a good game to play as a family at home.
I'm pretty sure Hannah would love this game.
Yep. It's a tiny hand.
I'm glad you don't get scared.
Hi, pretty girl. Is that creepy? Shake your hands. I love you. This is something our kids would love. They're constantly making stuff with paper. Do all these paper dolls. Won't you think it'd be awesome, Christina?
Definitely.
This is Christina, our editor, by the way. She edits all the videos you guys see. So she's gonna watch this back again later herself.
Maybe I'll cut myself out and then I won't be in the
No,
video.
she's gonna keep herself in. Watch. If you're seeing this, because she left herself in. Halle, look at these. There's some books on how to draw different animals. And there's books about how to make. Look, you can punch out the animals and make them and fold them.
So I think we actually got one of everything in the room. Do you know where to go?
Don't bump me. I did it! I did not drop any of them. Although, Halle, did you think I was gonna drop them? You did! So here's our room. We got our bedroom over here for Dana and I and Livia. And then we got a little living room. Livia's not staying in here?
No, her and Halle get to share a room.
Ooh. You like that idea, huh, Livia?
You get to share a room with Big Sister.
Yay!
First time you get a slumber party. And I bet you will both slumber very well while we're here.
Then we got this nice big bathroom. Is that pretty big? Show us around. We got a shower, a potty, a bathtub, and another shower? Wait, do we have 2 showers? Oh yeah, that's like a handicap shower. And some sinks. Look at all the cool stuff. You can take one of these and then go stand in the center of the green screen and take a picture.
Yeah, like what do you
get? Some bookmarks with pictures of you on Hatchimals.
What do you tell them?
So look at him and say thank you. For a family like ours and probably like yours, it's just very busy and it's very easy for, you know, this kid to be doing that thing, that kid to be doing this other thing, parents, work, job, schools, everything, friendships. And one of the things that we try to do is just integrate things together is the best way that we can. But at the end, I think it's worth it because we can be together more and better manage our family's time.
Cute, Halle. You can get cookies, there's cookie dough, there's sprinkles, there's milk, or there's a donut. Do you want a special donut? Or do you want cookies? Okay, that's what you want?
Yep.
No milk?
Next up, we got dinner party to go meet and connect and hang out with everybody. Is that the most delicious cheese and crackers you've ever eaten? Let me try it. Is it good?
They're in one room and we're in the other.
We got some help here with Livia. I love hanging out and talking with creators like these guys. But we gotta keep an eye on Halle too, because she will escape, except for all she's content doing is just playing in the rocks with the lights. Are you having fun, Halle? Is this a cool party? They got rocks and lights. Oh, and you're playing with your Hatchimals in the light? You're so cute. Oh yeah, like little shelves there for them, huh?
Yeah, so this is the house and all these lights that are on are glow.
Oh, I love your imagination. It's about 8:30 Pacific time, which means it's like 11:30 for her, and she's still awake.
She's been a trooper. She was the one that brought us back to our room tonight saying, I'm tired, I want to go to bed. And she kept on having to tell us until we were able to break away from everybody, because this is such a fun day getting to just reunite with people. You ready to go to sleep with your Hatchimals?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
You got a lot of Hatchimals today.
I only got 5, 6, 7.
Only 7? That's how many kids are in our family.
So I can give one to each of the kids.
Looking forward to tomorrow and another fun day of being able to see Halle's interactions with everybody, and also getting to hang out. And so thank you for being a part of this journey and this story with us. We'd love to hear how you guys integrate parts of your family together. Let us know, and we will see you guys again in the next video coming up here soon, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. See you then. Bye.